Hey guys, so this is the first video filmed in the studio, and yeah, I'm super excited. But anyways, hi, if you're new, my name's Kensy, and I love Christmas. As you can see, I've got on my Santa sweater, I've got a wreath in the background, and a stocking over there. But anyways, yeah, if you like hauls and DIYs and stuff, make sure you go down below and subscribe, and join the fam. And while you're down there, turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up if you love Christmas or Hanukkah or Happy New Year, something like that. But yeah, today's video is DIY snow globes, and these can also be last minute gifts. So I hope you guys enjoy, and here we go. So first up, in order to make your snow globes, you're going to need some snow globes from the craft store, Mod Podge E6000, glue, and sandpaper, and like a center object. I used a pine tree and some glitter or sparkles. So first I'm just going to roughen up the bottom of my object and the lid. And then I'm just going to cut off the tags, and I'm just going to put some E6000 on them and follow the directions to the E6000 and glue them onto the lid. Now you can set those over to the side to dry overnight or however long you want to wait. The longer, the better. Now I'm going to take some Mod Podge and put a little bit on my centerpiece, which is my pine trees, but mainly around the bottom to seal it off and make sure no water gets under them. Now I'm going to use the actual lid and set my snow globe on it and start filling it up with water and putting in my Christmas confetti, which is super cute, but you can add whatever you want on this step. Sparkles, confetti, just whatever you want. This is where you can customize it. And I'm just going to stir that in a little bit, and now I'm going to put some E6000 around the lid and then press the seal. Now this is another snow globe. I'm just repeating the whole process, roughening up the bottoms of each of them and gluing it down. Then I'm going to seal it up with some Mod Podge. Sorry I didn't get a good angle on this. And so now I'm just going to put in my confetti or glitter, whatever you guys would like, and stir that in a little bit. Now I'm going to put in my base. This is like a few hours later, overnight, and here's how they all turned out. And honestly, this next one is my favorite, but this is my second favorite. But yeah, this one is my favorite. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and here they all are. Okay, so that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks to my beautiful wreath and stocking